students, in the continuation of that particular energy audit topic. Next is the measuring energy performance. Production factor is what? The current year production with the reference year production. Reference year equivalent energy use. Reference year's equivalent energy use or reference year equivalent is the energy that would have been used to produce the current year's production output. The reference year equivalent is obtained by multiplying the reference year energy use by the production factor. Reference year equivalent is equal to reference year energy use multiplied by production factor. Plant energy performance is the improvement or deterioration from the reference year. It is a measure of plant's energy progress. Plant energy performance is reference year equivalent minus current year energy into 100 upon reference year equivalent. Maximizing system efficiencies, the few measures are: replace pumps, fans, air compressor, refrigerator, compressor, boilers, furnace, heaters and other energy conservation equipments wherever significant energy efficient margins exist. Eliminates steam leakage by trap improvements. Maximize condensate recovery. Adopt combustion control for maximizing combustion efficiency. Matching energy uses to requirements. The mismatch between equipment capacity and use of requirements often lead to inefficiencies due to part load, operations, wastage, etc. It is thus essential that proper energy matching studies are carried out and action implemented. The simple example: eliminate throttling, eliminate damper operations, fan resizing for better efficiency, moderation of chilled water temperature for process chilling needs, optimizing energy input requirements in order to ensure that the energy given to the system being put to optimal use. Site specific measures and check should be carried out regularly. Examples: shuffling of compressors to match needs, periodic review of insulation thickness, identify potential for heat exchanger networking and process integration. Fuel and energy substitute, key steps toward the conservation. 1. The fuel substitution: replacement of coal by coconut shells, nice husk, replacement of LDO by LSHS. Energy substitution: replacement of electric heaters by steam heaters, replacement of steam based hot water by solar system. So thank you very much today.